So, hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, DJ Barista Live! So, today we're here at the WOFEX 2026 featuring the Drinks and Bakes, where coffee, food, equipment, industry leaders, of course, all gather in one massive celebration of flavor and innovation. We'll be exploring the latest coffee trends, checking the new machines, of course, connecting with the fellow baristas and bakers, and of course, diving deeper into everything that fuels our passion for coffee and brewing and of course, baking. And here's something exciting. If you bump into me here at the WOFEX 2026 and subscribe to our YouTube channel, DJ Barista Live, welcome officially to the Barista Life Pack for the first 5 subscribers, and we'll give you this Center for Barista tote bag for free. So if you see me, don't be shy, say hi, subscribe, and let's connect. See you around!
Very accessible sa inyo kasi andun na tulad yung version. Kasi yun yung mamimigay sa ilang sa answer, which is Marvel. And mag-measure lang tayo ng 600 ml. Kasi baka
Ano yung bag? Hindi po siya bag. Ito is trooper stand po. Ang meron po sa kanya, ma'am, yung bag. Ganito po.
When it's hot, and then I pour the water. Combine into the higher boiling height and lower boiling height and see the result. So the level is around 1 to 50. Matter that how hot is the coffee.
Basta.
So this is the coffee. I brewed it using this explode.
Amoy ka agad yung pinaka-ano, citrus nyo.
So expect it to have passion fruit notes. Kaya ako kasi when I brew it, I use it using explode.
Wow.
So as you can see, 15 nakaset. This is the grind size. And this one is the grinder speed. Then ito yung start button niya. Either hindi ko na gagalawin yan, in the comfort of my phone, connected naman siya, accurate yung ano. After that, grind ka lang, start, automatic mag-grind yan.
So, saan nakalagay yung beans?
Ang beans, this will be your grinder po. Grind on demand siya.
Per serving lang din.
Per serving siya.
15 grams per
Tapos, pwede rin yung brewer. Brewer naman. You can brew your coffee here. Pwede mo siyang i-create na sarili mong recipe. Yung volume mo will be like 313 or 191.
Battery is at 30%.
Adjustable.
So,
At ang
you don't
boiling.
need parang marami pang gamit na may kettle ka pa,
Hindi
ganyan.
naman.
Kasi you can adjust the phone,
Yes.
diba?
Even the pouring technique,
So, hindi
pwedeng,
na kailangan bumili ng barista kung hindi na gamitin.
pwede naman. Makakatipid siya.
Diba? Kasi ganun yung mga barista. Kabuuan ng over, diba? Tapos the grinder.
Grinder, this is actually 3 uses. Grinder, brewer, scale.
Oh, may scale na din. So, I think the price is worth it.
And, yung scale niya. Yun lang. Pag tinanggal mo yung karap, accurate,
Can we
accurate.
make? Para masama sa vlog.
Tumapakay siya.
Kasi ang ganda eh, di ba?
Yung gamit mo, once you include this in the package, it includes, of course, the unit, approximately mga 10 pieces ng filter, X-Bloom
Pero
filter.
pwede naman bilhin niya sa inyo.
Yes, meron kaming X-Bloom filter, 450 ang 100 pieces.
sa kapwa. Oo. Instead of performing the manual assembly. Sa inyo lang meron yun.
So the color is available with your
ako
black. Mga nabentahan ko nito sa celebrity si Dasuri. Nag-walk-in lang siya sa Ayala that time last year. Nakita na nagpa-demo siya.
Nagyari sa Manila. Yung weighing scale ka na, may rider ka na.
So naka-tear siya. Sorry for the phone. Kung hindi mo bet mag-phone, pwede rin naman sa iPad or any tablet.
Sir, pwede mag-video?
Yes po. Pwede po. Ay, okay lang po. So yun po, since nakapakita tayo, ay nang may own recipe kasi. You can create your own recipe. You have the home style, age proper, swirl and steady pour method. So bigyan natin si age proper. Pero pwede mo rin siyang edit ma'am.
On the spot.
Yes, on the spot. This is your grind settings, your recipe, your ratio. Yung speed ng grinder mo is also adjustable. And first pour, punta tayo sa first pour. Medyo mabilis yung pausing ko. We'll add it, making it 15 seconds. Second pour, mabilis din kanina. We'll add 15. Third pour, we'll make it also 15. Then the last pour, lahat yan, either circular, steady, or spiral, pwede naman.
The apps is downloadable sa...
Google Play or App Store po.
Okay.
So we'll be using that. Gamitin ko na lang to. Pwede rin naman. Nalita 155. Pero we also have the extra.
Pwede rin siya dun sa...
And ito, this one is 400 pieces. 155. Yung gripper. Just in case naman, mabasag to. This is also replaceable. We have Omni Dripper. Available sa either clear, black, or white. Magnetic kasi siya.
So you can buy it separately.
You can buy it separately. We're using 18 grams ulit. Gamitin natin ulit. Coffee or ibang coffee naman. We'll try the alum work. This one will be using the alum work. It's a natural process from the alum farm produced by Tami Rurales.
Pa-swipe na natin kay Sir Gerald. 39 something.
39,800.
39,000.
You have your advanced skills. Ano na po?
Wait lang.
You have your weighing skills. You have your grinder.
Nga pala. Yan. So, we're going back muna. I forgot. Meron niya pala tayong scale. You can use the scale for... Tayo sa scale. You can carry it. Scale. We're using 18. I forgot. We also have scale nga pala. Ayan. Now, let's proceed back. Then sa recipes. Then we're using the age proper coffee recipe. So, pindot lang tayo, start. Then, automatic, na-notify siya. Let's go. Then, we'll grind the coffee.
So you didn't go need
Yes. Don't need a grinder, just need the exporter. After grinding, automatic, balik siya. Then, it will start grinding.
Pwede siya like grinding lang pero you are using different pour over?
Pwede naman.
Pwede.
Yan. Then, there, we'll start the first. It's the blooming na. Okay? So as you can see,
Wow, grabe yung smell.
so this one is Anamorphy. So that's the blooming. We have pausing na 15 seconds. The coffee is Anamorphy. So we're now down to the second one.
Anong taste notes niya?
Kung tinatamad ka sa bahay,
Sweet floral, purple flowers. Mango and caramel.
Mango.
Caramel. Sweet floral.
So this has notes of purple flower, mango and caramel. So it's fruity and floral siya. Sweet. Again. As you can see yan. So adjustable naman lahat yan.
Mas maganda yung black compared with the clear one. Ano?
So finish yung pausing. We can also adjust the pausing again. We'll have to make it a bit higher. Pwede naman. 20. If hindi mo ma-meet yung satisfaction mo with the brew, you can adjust. Madali siyang i-adjust.
Na kailangan. Lagay mo lang set. Set mo na dyan.
So this is only 39,800.
May senior discount.
Hindi ka pa mukha senior, ma'am.
Oo.
So we're now down to the last brew. 4/4. Brew record.
So ito, the expired. You can use this.
You can use the X-Pot kasi ma'am sa packaging, meron siyang magnetic ring. Doon mo ilalagay yan. That also serves as the filter. Yan mismo. You know, since nagana na siya ng water. Can you
Bigyan tayo ngayon.
Pwede mo miskin na akyan, baba. Left and right. Ikot. Ikot yung lugar.
Nalobat na.
Lalaki ko din ng kamatari.
Sir, nalobat na.
Araan mag-workout. Sir, medyo.
Virgin, pwede ito sa mga student.
Magkano, ma'am?
8, pero before, pag original price, 10,000. So ngayon, naka-20% pa. version ng Breville, may grinder.
Tapos ang gagandahan din po yan, mga 20 bars na.
Wow. Malakas. Saan kayo located?
Talagang pinatapos nila.
Solid. Cheers.
Si Seri J. Seri J. Isa. Thank you. Thank you.
Marami kaibigan sa atin na
Pero wala yung parang diretso.
This one, walang weight. This one, walang weight, no? So, titignan natin yung nakaprogram. Sa kanya, mali yung hindi umabot, yung pulling weight. Yan. So, another cool feature ng bagong Iconic na yun. You can set your portafilters. Whether you're using a single, a double, or a bottomless, pwede mo i-program.
Dinidetect niya.
Consistency naman with the whole thing, precise.
Thank you so much.
Coffee packaging ko lang. Ang cute ng design. Kaya tayo magpa-customize dito.
It's roast those beans.
Sorry? Sure.
How much?
We are trying to get it to about 190. 180. Yeah, per box. Yeah, correct. Then order actually we have later we can leave your name. So actually we are able to reach out to you and customize you. But don't mind. Sorry? No, I got this is actually the local. My name is Nick. Call me Nick. I'm actually the founder. So no moo means no cow. They are very from Singapore. No cow. Yeah, so that's why I got coconut, I got almonds coming to soy as well. But let me recommend try the oat milk because the coconut is bitter, so the years is the case. Yeah, so you try
So, I can message
then
you here or buy from
and I can let you try coffee. Ready for my cafe? Okay. So try the oat milk. This oat milk is different. My oat milk is actually 12% oat concentrated. Other oat milks are all 10. So I'm 20% more concentrated in terms of the oat. And my protein is almost 3 times that of a lot of brands out there. 1.7. So very important for baristas because for foaming, frothing, mine can do combo art as well. So the full stability is there. Sorry? No, the oat for your... Yeah, sorry. Would you like to try as well? Yeah. So I'm serving a lot of cafes and
Maybe yung nag-coconut with
Oat milk.
Can I'll let you try. No problem. And this is the coconut.
Wow.
Yung iba kasi
Thank you.
parang
The flavor of the coconut is very distinct.
Thank you. That's why you really try the coconut first. Then normally then you move on. Then later you try the oat coffee. Then you try coconut coffee. Then you can see the difference. Because that's what we wanted to let people try. And if you are interested, you can try coconut matcha. Yeah. So
Try with the coffee.
sure, no problem. Once again, would you like to try the coconut as well?
Coconut.
Yeah, try the coconut.
coconut. Thank you so much.
No problem. Yeah. Now let me try a little bit of oat and coffee, then coconut and coffee. Then you can taste the difference.
Alright.
Of
When you
how
say coconut milk,
Sorry?
is it from the coconut juice?
it is actually from the coconut milk itself,
Milk
not the
itself.
water. Yeah, the milk itself. Yeah,
It's
correct.
like gata here in the Philippines.
Yeah. So this is oat coffee. Yeah, I give you a bit just to try, so that y'all know. For example, this one it doesn't really interfere with the coffee flavor at all. It's creamy. You see, it's iced for a while already. It's still rich and creamy.
This is based of oat or coconut?
This is the oat.
Oat one.
Yeah. So normally because the taste it gets stronger, so we always go oat first because the oat very mild.
Yes.
Yeah. Coconut more flavorful. But interestingly, like I say, when you drink with this, coconut got a bit more sweetness to it. That's why it will sweeten your coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but that's the difference, I would say, when you drink the strawberry. No, the
The
coconut.
coconut. Thank you. Coconut.
Okay. Yeah. So when you drink, then you see the difference.
Maybe you add a little bit of coconut. You can taste the coconut.
Yeah. See, so the thing about coconut, right? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so once again, I have to tell all the baristas, this is like salt and pepper. You all are the chefs. So you all use this to create your recipes using the type of roast. But you can see how it works with coffee.
You're only the supplier here in the Philippines. You don't buy at the local market.
Not yet. I'm looking to get into the local market. Because a lot of customers have been asking, they want to buy for themselves.
So, right now, where we can purchase?
Right now, only here.
Only here.
Only here. In the whole Philippines, only here.
Oh.
Yeah, correct. So,
Only here.
I see.
get a new iPhone. Finish it.
Can we buy samples of coconut milk and oat milk now?
Sure, no problem. Yes, can. I'll get my.
Yeah, I want to buy samples of coconut milk. Thank you so
No,
much.
thank you so much. Pleasure.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What a day here at the Twofex 2026. Grabe! It was truly fun, engaging, and of course, as always, Twofex never disappointing us from tasting incredible specialty coffee and premium beverages to discovering new trends, equipments, and innovation in the coffee industry. Every booth had something exciting to offer. Of course, hindi mo mawawala yung mga freebies, discounts. Grabe, ang dami nilang pa-discounts sa free coffee. Sobra-sobra talaga yung inom namin na coffee. Sulit na sulit ang experience natin dito sa mga specialty coffee shop na natikman natin doon, mga specialty beans, mga coffee lovers, mga nakilala natin dito. Sulit na sulit talaga sa atin itong Wofex na katulad dito. So events like this reminds me, of course, why we love what we do. The passion, the community, and the continuous learning. So until the next time, see you at the next Wofex. So bye!
Happy New Year, everyone!